Quick start tutorial. Operation of multiple mode. Smartphone gimbal has 3 axes in general. Pan axis. To the left and right movement horizontally. Roll axis. To do clock-like movements. Tilt axis. To do up and down movements. Joystick operation. Move the joystick upwards, then phone camera turns upwards. Move the joystick downwards, the phone camera turns downwards. Move the joystick rightwards, the phone camera turns rightwards. Move the joystick leftwards, the phone camera turns leftwards. The faster you move the joystick, the faster your mobile phone turns. The gimbal is in pan follow mode by default. The mobile phone follows in horizontal direction, and it keeps still in the pitch angle. Hold the trigger. The gimbal enters the tilt follow mode. The mobile phone follows in the pitch direction. Release the trigger to exit. Click the left button twice to enter the FPV mode. The mobile phone follows into the roll direction at the max angle of 90 degrees. Click twice again to exit. Press twice and hold the trigger to enter all locked mode. 3 axes are locked. The mobile phone doesn't follow the gimbal movement. Release the trigger to exit. Click the down button twice to enter the sport gear mode. The mobile phone follows very fast in the horizontal direction. Click twice again to exit. Click the down button 3 times. The gimbal enters the inception mode. Move the joystick leftwards or rightwards to rotate the mobile phone. The faster you move the joystick, the faster your mobile phone rotates.